Okay, so very quickly, I'm just going to demonstrate this. So curse to do it at the moment, and it's going to seed it into the database, but it's basically fairly trivial for me to implement this. I just haven't got around to it yet. It's been choosing pretty well, just giving it on a generic prompt like this. So we're just going to see what that comes up with. So I'm just going to do that. Accept. Oh God, what one is it? Hang on, that's that one. Divi seed. So this will all just be automated, obviously. Well, that's just done. It's generated this page dynamically with an overview of all the things that it's thought I need in a project. We'll have a look at it in a second. It's set up some views, which will make sense in a short while. But we'll go to create project. It hasn't errored, so that's always good. And so it's basically just built me a form based on that. I mean, it's so easy to do, but now I can keep track of all my projects. Eventually, they'll be linked to the other tasks that I've been putting in. Let's add it. Bugger. Come back to that. And so it's added some more projects, which is pretty fun. God, it always blows my mind, this sort of stuff. And that is the project so far. There's a lot more to come, but this is just the basis of it. So that's pretty cool.